Hey, welcome back to Rob's Garage Woodworking. Today I'm going to show you this D-Lam 3-tier bathroom towel rack. Now, I have a really tiny bathroom down in the basement and we needed to store towels down here. It does have a shower. I'll give you a quick tour at the end. We needed something that worked, that was, going to look half decent and wasn't expensive. So this is what I found. Just based on hotels that we've stayed at, I always kind of like these little racks that they have. Just convenient, cheap, easy. All right, fast. All right, let's open this up. And okay. All right. Comes in a nice small box. Comes nicely wrapped. Okay. So, looks pretty self-explanatory. Make it look like the picture. That comes with all your mounting hardware as well, which is nice. Let's take the Phillips ones out. Just fits like this. Inside. Start it. Make sure you get the right end. Okay. Screw in, put it inside, try to straighten it out so it's not cross-threaded. See how that moves? So what we want to do is straighten it up. So we're going to level it here. Tightener. We will check to make sure that it's square. Check to make sure that it's square. All right. Give it a final tighten. So it has these little caps here. You have to put the screw through them, and then it has a finishing cap that will pop over that to make it look good when it's done. Okay, we're gonna set the height so it doesn't interfere with anything, and then we're gonna center it. We know with the towel on, we want it to be around this long, so take the towel off now. Hold it in position. It slides around, so probably the best bet is we'll put one screw in first, hold it in place. So let's start with that one. set this up. Alright, there we go. Okay. Level, looks good. All right. All right, so put the caps on, and just push on. All right, that looks fantastic. All right, so this is it. This is the finished product. It holds, well, you could put a few more towels on top if you wanted, but it'll hold 6 towels nicely, plus 1 hanging, so 7 towels total. This is a really tiny bathroom. So it's a 3-piece. It's got the toilet, sink, and it has a shower stall. And it's not quite finished yet because I have to renovate my upstairs bathroom too. So you can see it's not painted up here yet. And the ceiling is open so I can reach the plumbing before I close all that in. Anyway, yeah, so we needed, because we're using this bathroom now because we are renovating the upstairs bathroom, we needed a place to store towels, and we really didn't have anything here. So I was just thinking about the hotels that we stayed at, and they always have these little racks. And oh, you know what, that'll be perfect. So I ordered this one. This one is the D-Lam, D-Lam 3-tier bathroom towel rack, and they come in like a 16-inch or a 22-inch width. 304 stainless steel polished surface, so it's kind of chrome looking. Yeah, so it suits my bathroom. I'll give you a quick look at the bathroom here. It's not exactly 100% perfect. All right, so like I said, it's still under construction. Still have a few more things to do, some painting, but this is the downstairs bathroom. And like I said, we still have to close in the top and put our bathroom fan in because of the plumbing for the renovation, so that also has to be finished upstairs before we can finish down here. But this is what we're using right now. So anyway, that's it. That's the video. Thanks for watching.